Going on, everybody? So today we're going to be reviewing this Simple Weld Steel Vision welder. This is a MIG 200 Sin Energy. You could run this off of 210 and 220. This welds steel, stainless steel, like it says here, aluminum, cast iron, and copper. And today we're going to be unboxing it, getting it fired up, and just showing you guys how this thing works. I have seen online that there's a lot of welding machines out there that are focused towards new welders, and I just want to let you guys know right now, even if you are a new welder, you still need to get a good welding machine, because those cheaper ones are just not going to cut it. They don't penetrate enough, they don't have enough power, and they're just not designed for, I don't know how to say it, like professional use, right? So this machine right here can definitely do that, and you're able to run it off 220, so you're gonna get pretty hot welds. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed and I'll show you guys what it comes with. All right, so opening it up, let's see what we have here. So we have the actual MIG welding gun right here. Seems to be good quality. Let's go ahead and pull that out. Not sure. Oh, this looks like just a steel brush to clean with, and the user manual. Okay, that's good. That's really good. Adapter here for 220. Some outlets have that, and it goes to the regular one. That's nice. You got yourself a hose here. I believe this is for the CO2 argon mix. So yeah, you'll definitely want to run CO2 argon when you're welding. It makes your welds a lot better, a lot cleaner. So yeah, let's keep going. You've got your ground right here. It's nice. Let's go ahead and take that out. You got two ground clips, so you're able to ground different things, I guess. So let's go ahead and take that out. And then what else do we have here? Well, it looks like it's time to pull this out. So let's go ahead and get this out and I'll show you guys what it looks like. You guys got her out the box, got it out the bag. And I gotta say, my first impressions are, this thing is reasonably sized. It's not too big. Still holds a lot of power, obviously, but it looks gorgeous. I mean, I haven't seen a lot of welding machines that look like this. I mean, obviously it's the same design layout, but I just like how this looks. Everything's all shiny. You do have knobs here. These seem really high quality for sure. And then here, obviously, you connect your welding thing and the ground. Let's see what we got here. Still got it. It's got a nice screen protector on there too, so keeping that on for sure. All right, let's get this thing opened up real quick from the side. See how easy it is to hack this. Boom. It's that simple. You can adjust burn back here. You can adjust, I believe, how big the wire is there. And then, yeah, here's where you put your wire. And then you feed it through here. And yeah, that's how you set this up. It looks pretty easy. So here's what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and get some wire in here, and I'm gonna go ahead and hook up my CO2 argon mix, and let's get to welding. I want to show you guys how this thing does compared to other welders out there. Just some things that you guys should know about this machine real quick. So this is like a smart welder almost, and you can input the material you want to weld. You can input the material thickness you want to weld, and of course you put in the wire size that you're going to be welding, and this machine will auto adjust all the voltage and all the wire speed and the amps, so you're getting good welds. So it is new welder friendly, and when it's time to get to more advanced welding, you still have that ability. Since you have a 200 welder, this thing can run 220 and you can get up to 200 amps, so you could definitely get some deep penetration on some thick metals. But I'll go ahead and get this thing fired up and I'll show you guys the user interface and we'll get to welding.